Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to install or download Google Chrome in your Windows. So visit any of your favorite browser, just double tap to open. Okay, so once you're being redirected here at your browser, here at the upper search bar, please type Google Chrome and simply click enter to proceed. Okay, so once done, you'll be redirected here at the sections of results. Here, you need to go for the second one, which is the fast and secure web browser. Just click this link. Okay, by that, you'll be redirected to this download section, which it has this blue button which contains download Chrome. Just tap that to download. Okay, once done, you'll be redirected to this download icons, and you just have to wait until this installation or downloading is done. Okay, once done, you just have to double tap it and install, and you'll be able to use or access Google Chrome browser in your Windows. Okay, so that's just how easy steps, or that is the very easy step on how to download or install Google Chrome in your Windows. So enjoy browsing or enjoy using Google Chrome in your computer. So that's it. Hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.